You're watching PDS TV.
Otra más. Pum. Toma.
Put it in drive and watch the door pancake him by his own car. I honestly don't understand what the point of this road rage was, and I'm not really sure why the van driver entertained it either. This is a good example that whenever you see a yellow light, never ask if you have enough time to pass, but ask if you have enough time to stop. Never instinctively follow. Riding a bike at night, wearing dark clothes, no helmet, no lights, and probably drunk. What could go wrong? It's a good thing she cushioned her fall with her face. This is what happens when idiots tailgate. The camera is the only responsible driver in the video. At least the cop didn't have to go far from the accident he was responding to help the new idiots.
Well, if that was such an easy solution for the Russia war and stopping it, we would already know this solution. I think.
Barring a medical emergency, they were probably thinking the other drivers sitting in traffic were the idiots, while they were being so slick. That driver just didn't want to sit in backed up traffic and jumped in front of the camera in the lane to the left and paid the price for it. This dunce kept high-beaming the camera and then stopped in the middle of the road to claim that the camera was brake-checking him. Honestly, this is police-worthy. I hope this was reported to the police. While the cars were totaled, the occupants seemed uninjured. The camera called 911 and waited for assistance to arrive. Looks like they were watching the red light thinking the other traffic was going to stop, but they didn't realize the opposite side had a green light. This was quite honestly the best case scenario. The fact that they didn't hit anyone is incredibly lucky. Looks like he was trying to use the special in-between lanes that some motorcyclists think exists, but he misjudged the depth. Lane splitting is legal in some states, but New York isn't one, so this dude is clearly an idiot. That's an uninsured commercial truck. Imagine contracting with businesses that make such decisions. They don't care about potential accidents with their truck. They likely don't care about anything except taking your money either. This driver threw a rock at a Department of Transportation employee. Thanks to the camera and dashcam footage, he was arrested and a court date is scheduled for the end of April. The camera will attend as a witness. The car in front took no damage, so they just checked on the camera and left. The car that hit the camera was cooperative at the least. Hopefully the camera goes and gets an MRI because that was a nasty hit. The Explorer was on the curb, and I'm pretty sure it would have ended up in the front yard of the house on the right if the Tesla hadn't tanked the hit.
Use the right lane to take the I-280 South ramp. Continue on I-280 South for 2 miles.
This video is about 60 seconds too long. After honking, I would have just changed lanes and moved on with my life instead of tailing a fellow road rager. Two idiots filming each other is the best way to sum this clip up. He just drove straight through, no tires popping or swerving at all. I gotta admit, Uncle Sam makes some pretty resilient signs. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I hope I can post more for y'all in the near future. With love, DDS.